Get ready to have your mind blown as we dive into the future of motorcycling. These aren't just bikes, they're a blend of innovation, power, and design that you have to see to believe. In 2024, these machines are set to change the way we ride forever. Let's hit the road and explore 10 of the most incredible motorcycles coming your way. Moto's Futuristic 2029, the cutting-edge marvel. Get ready to experience the future of motorcycling with Moto's Futuristic 2029. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a revolution on two wheels, combining the latest in design and technology to deliver a ride like no other. Enclosed in a sleek sculptured aluminum body, the 2029 is as much a work of art as it is a machine built for speed and innovation. What sets the 2029 apart is its groundbreaking tech. This bike features hub-centric steering, providing unparalleled precision and control at any speed. The transparent polycarbonate wheels not only look futuristic, but also reduce weight and improve aerodynamics. To top it off, the 2029 is equipped with 3D printed titanium components, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in motorcycle engineering. Every detail, from its lightweight titanium chassis to its advanced materials, is designed for maximum performance and aesthetic appeal. Key specifications: body, sleek aluminum design with transparent polycarbonate wheels. Technology: hub-centric steering for enhanced control. Its components: 3D printed titanium parts for lightweight durability. A design, sculptured, aerodynamic, and futuristic, making it a true marvel on the road. BMW Motorrad Vision, the ultimate customizable ride. Imagine a motorcycle that feels like an extension of your own body, where you can customize your ride with just a simple gesture. Welcome to the BMW Motorrad Vision, a bike that takes the concept of personalization to a whole new level. With its sleek black triangle frame and iconic BMW design, this motorcycle is as stunning as it is innovative. Whether you're cruising through city streets or carving up mountain roads, the Motorrad Vision adapts to your every need. Key specifications: customization, gesture-based control for a personalized riding experience. Design, minimalist yet futuristic black triangle frame. Versatility, adapts to various riding modes and environments. Dodge Tomahawk, the beast unleashed. Think of a motorcycle so powerful that it can hit speeds of 300 mph. That's not just a fantasy, it's the Dodge Tomahawk. This machine is more than just a motorcycle, it's a force of nature. Powered by a monstrous V10 engine, the Tomahawk boasts an incredible 500 horsepower, allowing it to lean a full 45 degrees into turns with unmatched agility. Its unique design features massive wheels and a sleek futuristic seat that make you feel like a boss the moment you hop on. Key specifications: engine, V10 engine delivering 500 horsepower. Top speed estimated at 300 mph. Design, massive wheels, sleek seat, and handlebars for a commanding presence. Kawasaki J Concept, the futuristic three-wheeler. Step into the future with the Kawasaki J Concept, a motorcycle that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This three-wheeled marvel is designed with a hubless wheel system and an electric powertrain, offering both power and sustainability. The bike's advanced AI system adapts to your riding style and the environment, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. Its G-Wing style doors and augmented reality display aren't just features. They're part of a design philosophy that prioritizes both aesthetics and performance. Key specifications: design, hubless wheels, and sleek futuristic aesthetics. Technology, advanced AI system, and augmented reality display. Yamaha Motoroid, your intelligent riding partner. Imagine a motorcycle that feels more like a companion than a machine. Enter the Yamaha Motoroid, a bike that's not just smart, but almost sentient. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, this motorcycle recognizes your face, responds to your gestures, and even parks itself. With its sleek, futuristic design, the Yamaha Motoroid is more than just a ride. It's a personal assistant on two wheels. Key specifications: AI recognition, face recognition, and gesture-based controls. Self-balancing, advanced stability even at low speed. Futuristic design, a sleek, innovative look that's ahead of its time. Aston Martin AM001, the pinnacle of luxury and performance. Aston Martin, a name synonymous with luxury and speed, brings us the AMB 001, a motorcycle that's as much a work of art as it is a high-performance machine. This limited edition marvel is crafted from titanium and aluminum, making it lightweight yet incredibly strong. Inspired by Aston Martin's iconic cars, the AMB 001 features elements like wing details reminiscent of the Valkyrie and Valhalla hypercars. With a turbocharged engine delivering 180 horsepower, this bike is built for those who crave both style and speed. Key specifications: engine power, turbocharged engine with 180 horsepower. It's a build material, titanium and aluminum chassis. Damon Hypersport HS, the future of electric speed. Speed and safety converge in the Damon Hypersport HS, a motorcycle that's redefining what it means to go fast on electric power. Boasting a 200 horsepower electric motor, this bike rockets from 0 to 60 pumps in just 3 seconds. But it's not just about raw speed. The Hypersport HS is also packed with AI-powered safety features that monitor your surroundings and provide real-time alerts, ensuring every ride is as safe as it is exhilarating. With a range that allows for long-distance adventures, this bike proves that electric doesn't mean compromise, it means pushing boundaries. Key specifications: power, 200 horsepower electric motor. Acceleration, 0 to 60 mph in 3 seconds. Safety, AI-powered systems for enhanced rider protection. Verge TS electric motorcycle, adventure unleashed. For those who love to venture off the beaten path, the Verge TS electric motorcycle is the ultimate companion. This isn't just another electric bike, it's a machine built for thrill seekers ready to conquer untamed terrains. With a powerful electric drivetrain that delivers instant torque, the Verge TS offers unmatched off-road performance. Its rugged design ensures it can handle the toughest landscapes, all while producing 0 emissions, making it a perfect choice for eco-conscious adventurers. Key specifications: performance, high torque electric drivetrain. Design, rugged and durable for off-road adventures. Eco-friendly, 0 emissions for guilt-free exploration. BMW K75 Alpha, the shark of the roads. Inspired by the sleek and powerful design of a great white shark, the BMW K75 Alpha is a motorcycle that commands respect. Born from a wrecked bike and transformed into a masterpiece by Turkish designer Mehmet Doruk Erdem, this bike features a water-cooled 750cc engine that delivers both power and precision. The aerodynamic design allows it to slice through the wind, making it perfect for those who love speed and style. Key specifications: an engine, water-cooled 750cc engine. Design, shark-inspired aerodynamic design. Build, turbocharged for enhanced power and performance. Honda Riding Assist E, the bike that balances itself. Honda is taking motorcycle safety and accessibility to the next level with the Riding Assist E. This revolutionary electric motorcycle comes equipped with self-balancing technology that keeps the bike upright even when stationary. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the low center of gravity and computer-controlled steering make every ride smooth and stable. The Honda Riding Assist E doesn't just make riding easier, it redefines what it means to ride, offering peace of mind with every journey. Key specifications: technology, self-balancing with computer-controlled steering. Design, low center of gravity for enhanced stability. Safety, automatic correction of steering faults. The future of motorcycling is here, and it's more incredible than you could ever imagine. These 10 bikes aren't just pushing the boundaries of what's possible, they're rewriting the rules entirely. From mind-boggling speed to game-changing technology, these motorcycles are set to lead us into a new era of riding. Which one will you choose to make your own? Let us know in the comments below.